Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating realm of Cambridge Checkpoint and their assessments. There are three Cambridge checkpoints: Cambridge Early Years, which is start from age 3 to 6, Cambridge Primary Checkpoint from age 5 to 11, and Cambridge Lower Secondary from age 11 to 40. Let's talk about Cambridge Early Years, a new program for 3 to 6 years old students. Cambridge offers 6 curriculum areas that help guide and support progress across all areas of development. These areas are communication and literacy, creative expression, mathematics, physical development, personal, social and emotional development, understanding the world. In terms of assessment, Cambridge Early Years Check Together is a digital assessment tool designed specifically to support this curriculum. It is recommended for ongoing observational assessment in the classroom. It is an engaging, story-based digital assessment that is completed one-on-one with each child and usually takes about 20 minutes to complete. Moving on to the primary checkpoint. This program starts learners on an exciting educational journey typically from 5 to 11 years old. The curriculum is flexible and includes subjects such as art and design, computing, digital literacy, English as a second language, global perspectives, ICT starter, mathematics, music, physical education, science and well-being. To monitor progress, Cambridge offers progression tests in English as a second language, mathematics and science for stage 3 to 6. These tests can be considered as formative assessments. When it's come to the summative assessment of the primary checkpoint, it is available for stage 6 for subjects such as Cambridge Global Perspectives, English as a second language, mathematics and science. However, there are no primary checkpoints for art and design, computing, digital literacy, music, physical education and well-being. Now let's talk about the lower secondary Cambridge checkpoint, typically for learners aged 11 to 14 years. The curriculum includes subjects such as art and design, computing, digital literacy, English as a second language, global perspectives, IT starters, mathematics, music, physical education, science and well-being. Similar to primary progression test, there are Cambridge progression tests available for stage 7 to 9 in English as a second language, mathematics and science. These tests are internal assessments that help check learners' knowledge, skills and understanding. They are marked by teachers in the school and available for stage 7, 8 and 9. In terms of summative assessment, Cambridge Lower Secondary Checkpoint is available for stage 9 in subjects such as Cambridge Global Perspectives, English as a second language, mathematics and science. However, there is no lower secondary checkpoint for art and design, computing, digital literacy, music, physical education and well-being. Now let's talk about what's new in the Cambridge checkpoint. So you can see here on the screen the Cambridge checkpoint performance bands. It starts from 0 to 50. You can see here 0 is unclassified and 1 to 10 is basic, 11 to 20 is aspiring, 21 to 30 is good, 31 to 40 is high, 41 to 50 is outstanding. In conclusion, Cambridge Checkpoint is a remarkable educational program that paves the way for academic success and personal growth. Its structured curriculum, diverse benefits, and constant evaluation make it an ideal choice for aspiring students and passionate educators. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.